Here we go, 2017, 2010. This is kind of when I got into Bitcoin. You know, back here when it was around $1,000, and then it had this huge run up to about 20K, and then it had this drop, right? Almost got cut in half. So the volatility of Bitcoin is just so bad. You know, this was a 1,800% return, right? Which looks good on paper. You're like, wow, 1,800%, that's incredible. But when you look at what happened right after, you know, the very next year, so now we're in 2018 to 2019, you know, your price got cut down. So it dropped 80%. Right, now you might think in your mind 1,800%, you only lost 80%. You're not losing 80% of that 1,800. You're losing 80% out of the total 100% of your allocation. So you only have 20% left of your Bitcoin position, right? When you go all the way down, that's 100%, and that's zero. That means you have nothing. Your position's wiped out. So of that 1,800%, you know, you might have maybe a 300% gain out of it left, or a 400% gain out of it left. You know, you lost so much, over 1,000% of what you earned. So Bitcoin is highly volatile, and I know people like to ride the Bitcoin train and think of how great it is and everything, but I think it's good as an alternative investment. It's a good asset, but long term, like, it's a lot of volatility, and not everybody is so adept at investing that they're gonna time the bottoms and tops so well. This is when Bitcoin, the ETFs, the spot Bitcoin ETFs got approved, and look at this big uptrend right here. If we look at our measurement tool, so this is about the bottom right here, and then going up here, this was 85% gain. Right, so this is like the Bitcoin ETF kind of hype cycle right here. But look what happened right after. Once all the hype died down, you know, we do our little measurement tool, come down, and this was like our low, kind of our lowest point at this point. Came down about 26%. So you lost 26% of that 85% gain. So, you know, you lost like about half of it, really.